Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can fix beta updates not showing up on iPhone. So there are a number of things that you can do to check why this is happening. But first, let's go back to the home screen. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have already signed up to the beta program. So go to your Safari web browser and we're going to go to the website called beta.apple.com. So we go back here. So we go to beta.apple.com and then if you scroll down, tap on the sign up button and then sign in with your Apple account. So make sure the account is the same as the one that you sign into your phone right here. So make sure they are the same account. If they are not the same account, then it will not work. So go ahead and sign up and simply tap on the agree button. And after that, go back in here and try it out. Okay, another things that you need to check is make sure that you have a compatible iPhone. You need to have at least an iPhone 11 or newer. Any older device like iPhone 8 or iPhone 9 will not work. So make sure you have a compatible iPhone, at least iPhone 11 or newer, so that you can try the beta updates. Another things that you can do is check your battery charge. Make sure it is fully charged. If it's nearly depleted, then it will not be able to update your phone to beta. So it will not show the beta update option in here. So make sure your phone is fully charged to ensure it has enough battery for the update. Now the next solution is to go into General and then tap on, so in settings you go down and tap on General. Then we go into Software Update, and in here make sure your phone is up to date. So turn on automatic download or automatically install, and make sure the phone is fully updated to the latest version. Once it is updated to the latest version, if there are any new beta updates, it will show in the list here. Another thing that you can check is to make sure the date and times are set correctly. So we go back into settings and then we go down and look for the date and time. So we go into General, then date and time, and in here ensure that the date and time are set correctly. You can always turn on set automatically. Now at the moment it is grey out. Now this is being grey out due to restrictions that I have set on in screen time. But if you remove the restriction, you should be able to change this. So make sure your date and time is set correctly and it is the right time. Next, if it still doesn't work, you want to check to make sure you have enough storage space available on your device. So in settings, we scroll down and tap on General and then tap on iPhone storage. In here, check your storage space. Make sure you have sufficient enough storage space left. You need to have at least 10 gigabyte. So if you look at software update and beta update, if I turn it on here, sometimes it shows you how big is the update. Okay, so with this update here, iOS 26.1.beta 3, it's take up to 8.86 gigabyte. So make sure you have around 10 gigabyte left on your phone to perform the beta update. Now another thing that you can try is to reset the network settings. So from settings, we go down and tap on General, and then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset, and here tap on Reset Network Settings. put in your passcode to go ahead and reset the network settings. Now because I have a screen time restriction, so again it will ask for my screen time. So I will not go ahead and reset it now, but if you reset your network settings, this might help for the phone to reestablish with the Apple server to allow your phone to enable beta software update. So give that a try. Now if you have VPN turned on, then the next solution is to make sure VPN switch off. So if you go into settings and then scroll down, so you want to go into general, and then we look for VPN and device management. Now because I'm not connected, so it's not showing anything, but if you are connected to a VPN, make sure it is turned off, or remove the VPN connection if you are not using it. So turn it off, or simply delete VPN. VPN sometimes have restrictions stopping you from connecting to the Apple server, so make sure VPN are turned off and give it a try. Then go back into your software update and check to see if the beta update is now showing up in the list. If so far everything still does not work, you can try to force restart your phone. So press on the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold on the side button. Now continue to hold on the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. This will allow the phone to shut down, clear the cache and RAM, and it will restart the device. Now if it does not work, then try again, because I accidentally pressed on the button here. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold on the side button. So around after 10 seconds, the phone should restart and shows an Apple logo. So here, continue to hold and continue to hold until you see the Apple logo appear, and then let go of the button. Okay, so the phone has now boot up, and so far if it still doesn't work, then you can try the last solution. So let's go into settings, and then we go down to general, tap on software update, and then go to beta updates and simply toggle to off position, and then toggle back into on again. So simply try to switch it on and off, or select different options to see if the new beta update will shows in the list here. And that's it. So hopefully you will get to see this update here, either public or developer beta. So with developer beta, it will be newer than the public beta. And so here it is now checking or downloading the beta from the Apple server. So it is checking for updates. Okay, so here it is showing, and we can now tap on update now and simply put in the passcode to go ahead and download the beta update. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.